Hi guys! We're here at NIA Terminal 3 and we're currently walking towards our gate para sa ating trip going to Taipei. So samahan niyo ako. Tara, ilis tayo! Finally, after around 2 hours, we finally arrived at Taoyuan Airport. And for those who are planning to go to Taiwan anytime soon, it is still visa-free up until July 31, 2026. If that will be extended, let's wait na lang sa announcement ng Taiwan government. Also, ang mga pin-repair ko, of course, do not forget your passport to pay the travel tax, fill out the e-gov form. And then, before your arrival, make sure to fill out the Taiwan arrival form. Guys, na-fill out nyo na agad ito before pa kayo dumating na Taiwan para at least seamless na yung process nyo. For those kasi na hindi nila na-fill out agad and doon na lang nila ginawa sa airport, ang nangyayari, nagkakaroon ng bottleneck dun sa immigration, which causes delay dun sa paglabas nila. Actually, maraming ways to go out of the airport. It's to the city. Ayan, nakalagay mismo sa floor. Metro, bus, taxi, car rental. So, hindi kayo maliligaw. Dito nga pala ako na-withdraw sa tabi ng food court. Before going to the MRT line, meron ditong Bank of Taiwan. I use my GCash card and wala namang charge dun sa GCash ko. Dito nyo nga pala kukunin yung ticket nyo. If you book your ticket going to the city via Klook, you just have to show your QR code and then bibigyan nila kayo nitong purple coin that you will use to ride the MRT. Make sure also to ride the purple train and not the blue train kasi yung purple yun yung express. Yung blue yun yung maraming stops.
Oh, that's real good.
First order of business, pagkaiwan ko ng luggage ko sa hotel ko ay mag-lunch at Lao Shandong. Walking distance lang to sa hotel ko sa Ximending. So, meron lang konting pila during the time na napunta ako and may pa-exam din pala sila. So, you have to check lang kung ano yung mga order mo. May translation naman. Ang in-order ko is the beef noodle soup and the pork and cabbage dumplings. I think may chives din yung dumplings. The beef noodle soup is very flavorful. Alam mo na matagal pinakuluan yung beef. It's sobrang lambot nung meat niya. Yung noodles din, makapal and handmade siya. Makikita mo talaga na ginagawa nila doon sa restaurant mismo. Yung dumplings hindi tinipid, siksik sa laman, juicy at malasa. So, quick room tour sa room ko dito sa Taipei. I am currently staying here at Ximending area. So, this is the room. Well, ayan, merong full body mirror for the OOTD shots. Sink dito with mirror as well. May socket dyan. May baso, water, kettle, electric kettle, may slippers, may pencil, may paper, may blow dryer, and may mga coffee and tea dito. Tissue, yung wifi, andyan, yung details for the wifi. May mini fridge. Tapos, this queen size bed. Yeah, may TV din pala here. And then may window, pero I don't know, mukha namang wala akong magandang view dyan kasi nasa alley ito malapit. I mean, within an alley. So, there. Ayan, oh. It has the basic stuff that traveler needs kung tutulugan lang naman. Tapos, it's affordable din. It can be booked via Klook in Agoda. I just don't know kung booking.com meron din. Pero, I booked this via Agoda. Spacious naman siya for one person. Kung two, pwede rin naman. Dalawa kayo. May malaking space pa naman dito. Ayan, mga gamit ko, diba? Tapos, yan, pwede pa dito. Dito, pwede mo din lagay dyan. Kaso, ayoko kasing lagyan ng anything dyan para pag nagsasalamin ako. Fit check, diba? Maganda dito, maraming mga saksakan. May exit tayo. Shifeng Street. May water stations. We're actually going to Ningxia Market. And galing tayong Ximen. So we got off sa Songshan Station. Now we're going to walk pa Ningxia. So ito yung way. Going to Ningxia. Maglakad lang tayo, mga around 9 minutes. May mga nagbabike. I think ito yung nire-rent na bike. You know what guys, kung pupunta kayo dito sa Taipei, tapos gusto nyo talagang i-explore yung area, I suggest you wear comfy shoes. As in yung pang-walking na shoes na hindi sasakit yung paa nyo. Dahil ang daming lakad dito. Ito yung mga bikes that I'm talking about. I think may app that you use to pay for this. Ayan. Guys, may pera yan. Okay. Ito na. Oh my god, mochi. Mochi.
好，那站两个 ，OK，就这样子。
But we're looking for something for dinner muna before we grab some desserts. Oh my god, strawberries. Pansin nyo ba, weakness ko ang strawberries. Maraming pila dito. The famous ice cream, peanut ice cream. So later, punta tayo doon. Hello! Sabi resort. Yung chicken na masarap din daw yan. Okay, so pumili tayo dito for the scallion pancakes. Ang haba din kasi ng pila, so na-curious ako. So, we'll try it later.
Okay, thank you. 谢谢。
台湾有人请他回来，他有爱德的麦当劳。
This is good.
OK。
Sweet potato.
包包一个包。呢個包我一個。OK。開個。 The Midwest, like basically the Rockies and the.
これOK で
你有好比较我自己的，我还有一个是什么？对，哪个都马桶啊？这边跟那个人头网一样。哦，OK 啊，那。Hello。Thank you。没，都买不是。这个行业，我那个飞度。你还得讨厌。
Actually works. This is good. I like this. So after all the food trip, I went home. I ride the train going back to Simin Station, and then I ended my night at Siminding area to look around and feel the vibe doon sa area na yon. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Till the next one. Bye!